Kũrĩ na mbunge gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kuria irathĩro kaunti-inĩ ya Migori, arutani magĩkaya nĩ gĩthomo kĩa mũirĩtu gũthingitha kumana na gũtabanio gwa thiri kwa ũndũire mũhetũke nĩ mahinda wa kũruithia airĩtu na kũmahikithia matakinyanĩirie. Arutani a cukuru cia secondary marauga arutwo magĩcoka cukuru harĩ arutwo 14 ao marakorwo mohete nda, na ũhoro wa kũmakania nĩ atĩ aingĩ ao nĩ a kĩrathi gĩa form 1.
We lose most of our girls because of early pregnancies as early as form 1. Like presently, there are around 4 girls who are not in school because of pregnancy. They reported, but they are not in school right now because they are almost due of the same.
And because of that, you can see the population is reducing. Now and then we are losing students because of these early marriages. So how I wish people can come in, they help us rescue this situation.
Hamwe na ũguo arutani nĩ maracakaya kuongerereka gwa ciĩko cia airĩtu gũtiganĩria gĩthomo makahike. Mbui yao yambĩte gwĩtĩkwo nĩ gĩkundi kĩmwe gĩa kũrũĩrĩra ihoto cia airĩtu kĩrĩa gĩkinyĩtie gũkũ kwarĩria arutwo bata wa kũrĩkia gĩthomo.
In these schools, in this area of Kihancha, we are targeting 14 schools, and in the 14 schools, we are giving them food. We are also giving sanitary towels for the girls because we know some girls during their menstruation period, they miss to come to school.
Them having the child, they can always go back to school, and Child Welfare Society of Kenya offers such girls school fees to go back to school, and they excel.
Arutani marauga nĩ makoretwo makĩrũmanĩrĩra na arutwo arĩa magĩa ciana nĩguo kũmahinyĩrĩria gũcoka cukuru, no mũhĩnga mũnene nĩ gũthutũkanio rĩrĩa macokereria gĩthomo.
We've had issues of FGM taking place, and most of them are because of the girls not being well guided. When they're in school, they learn a lot about this, and what we are seeing here will go a long way to help us keep these students in school and also get rid of the vices that we have.
At first, when they come back to school, we normally have challenges. Because of that stigmatization, some feel that they are discriminated, or even some, to some point, they even ask permission to go and breastfeed their child at home, or they play the maternal roles where they request to go and take their child to clinic. So absenteeism, it comes in there. So it's still a challenge that is affecting us.
As early as form 2, form 3, they get initiated. After initiation, you find them dropping out of school. And again, early marriages amongst our girls. Most of them after initiation, after FGM, because most of our community members or most of our girls undergo FGM, and after they have undergone FGM, they drop out of school. They just get married immediately.
Rĩu arutani aya maroria guoko gwa thirikari gũtambũrũke na gũkinyĩra arĩa maratwarithia na mbere ũndũire ũyũ ũrĩa ũthinĩkanĩtie iroto cia aingĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.